Question number 8. Jackie is asking, when should one start a website? If you are running a B2C business, you may sell without the website for a long time. You may decide not to have your own website and sell on the marketplace such as Etsy or Amazon. And for a newcomer, it is quite advantageous because they do employ the pay-per-click and have a large amount of already existing clients. You need your own website immediately if you decide to sell B2B. If you decide to work with retailers and wholesalers, because retailers and wholesalers want to see a neat website to decide whether they want to work with you. Your website becomes your business card, and the requirements of your website are way much higher than if you would just be selling B2C. For B2 business to consumer, the website requirements are quite simple. The website does not have to be extremely beautiful and well done. And the moment that you want to work with business organizations, they have a different take on it. They want to see, they derive your ability to fulfill your promises based on the functionality and beauty of your website, as far as I have noticed.